Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's upload I will share with you 5 passive income ideas that you can start from home today with little or no capital. So if this is the content you're looking for, then do stick around right through to the end of the video. If number 1 doesn't work for you, I'm pretty much sure that number 3 or 4 will work for you. And also do hit the subscribe button so you get updated when I post new videos, and also give me the thumbs up. It serves as motivation to me. I'm sending some love your way. Before we start, okay, we need to understand what passive income is. So passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprises that a person is not actively involved. So for example, I can build an app now, push it to the app store. When it's live and people start using that app, I start earning on that app. So it's like you do the work now and then you keep enjoying the benefits like forever. Okay, so anytime someone uses the app, I earn money. So that's passive income. You're not actively involved now, but at some point you did. Number one work is you can rent out your car. Okay, if you have a car you rarely use, for instance, you're a full-time mom, you're always at home, you barely go anywhere, and your car will be sitting at home from morning till evening. Apps like Turo.com, people go on there to rent cars. So you can put your car on there and you can earn money between $100 to $200 a day, depending on the type of car you have. So that's one way you can earn some extra. Number 2 income is you can rent out your home or your room for short term. So do you have an extra room you are not using? You can actually put it up on Airbnb and make that passive income. Okay, you can earn between $500 to $1,000. So what are you waiting for? Fix that room and put it up on Airbnb and make that extra income. Girl, if you have a design skill, you can actually turn that into money maker by selling items with your printed designs on them. Apps like Zazzle and Cafe Press allows you sell mugs, t-shirts, and many more with your printed designs on them. Number 4 is selling information products. Okay, this is one popular strategy for passive income. You can create information products and lay back as cash from the sales rolls in. You can sell this product on sites like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. And guys, you can literally be making money because you have created this thing that is out there in the world generating money for you. So for instance, if you're a teacher in Ghana, you can create this course for, this is just an example, you can create like how to write a perfect essay and put it out there on Udemy. Okay, so anytime, for cheap, you put it out there on Udemy for cheap. So anytime someone enrolls in this course, you make say $10. Like you are selling the course for $10. Anytime someone enrolls in this course, you make $10. And it's going to be there forever until you decide to take it out or something. So imagine you'll be making profit on this thing like forever. So do take advantage of selling information products, and it's one popular way to make passive income. The last one is Instagram sponsored posts. So if you like Instagram as I do, you might want to turn your scrolling time into posting time to help skyrocket your passive income. The best thing about Instagram is that it allows you create fun pages for absolutely anything. So whether you love fashion, decor, or travel, or something outrageous as dog grooming, you'll find your committed audience on Instagram. The secret to getting ton of Instagram followers is to be super consistent with the content you post. So be sure to stick to one niche so that the people who follow you can count on you to deliver more content just like that. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video or it has been helpful in any way, do hit the bell notification so you don't miss out when I post new videos, and also give me the thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. Plus, if you would want me to create a video on how to make money on Instagram in 2022, do comment it below and I'll do just that, just for you guys, because like I said, we are building this community, we are building this channel together.